We had a pretty wild day of ups and downs in the market yesterday. And the question is did it really matter? No, because XRP is actually almost above any price it's seen over the last several days. Right now, we're obviously trying to create an extension, try to make a run back towards $3.50. And the question is now, can we muster up enough steam here? Things have been set up pretty well in the crypto market, and we need to talk about that. Do want to give everybody just kind of a brief synopsis of what took place yesterday as well. So if you guys are new or haven't already, show your support for the channel down below. Hit that subscribe button, that bell. It's free to do. It'll keep you updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. So yesterday, XRP actually held up really well. Let me just say that first of all. We did not break below $3. We actually got as low as 3.0023, but we instantly bounced right off of that and basically shot back to the upside. We closed our daily candle above that 20-day moving average as we've done this entire time here. And maybe this changes as we move forward, but we're seeing some pretty insane levels of conviction, I have to say. And that was despite all the twists and turns of yesterday. Just to give everybody kind of an update, we had a hot GDP report, came in at 3%, one of the highest quarters we've seen in the last year and a half. What we also got was a no interest rate decrease. We had Jerome Powell creating some uncertainty about September. We had the crypto report as well, which didn't really make much mention in terms of reserves or anything like that. But obviously, they did announce as well that there is going to be something surrounding the strategic crypto reserve coming in short order. So hopefully we can get a little bit of a push for XRP off of that news. But that's again neither here nor there. But basically, yesterday was kind of a blah day, up and down roller coaster of a day, and yet XRP is pushing higher. That's a great sign here. Now, the question is what are we going to get today? What are we going to see? Is it going to be as crazy as yesterday? Probably not, but things have been set up for a little bit of a squeeze like we've been talking about. So what we did do is we have flipped bullish once again on the daily stochastic RSI. That is a great sign. BTC just continuing to push right around its longer term trend here. Really want a breakout to the upside of this. This is where BTC might run, past 130K. No guarantees or financial advice or anything like that, but that might also be what triggers ETH to make its move and its breakout above 4,100. That's how we could see actually this total market cap of crypto actually breaking out of this. I can't quite tell if this is a wedge or a descending triangle. It's one of the two of these, but we're trying to make that obviously extension and push all the way back up to the all-time high of about 1.15 trillion. And all we've seen from XRP is just good fundamentals in terms of XRP exchange supply. Didn't matter yesterday, just continued to see this removal take place. Removal and hoarding of supply is pretty darn big. We still have shorts that have kind of filled in here, but you guys can see over the last 12 hours, it's been the shorts that have been getting wrecked as the market has kind of bounced back. We've had, again, an overnight push, and that has been a really exciting sign. So right now, and that's what we've been seeing throughout the crypto market, okay? Now, what I will say here is XRP is still falling in huge relevance, all right? Now, not falling per se, but it's still in huge relevance around the crypto market. So when we look at the most visited assets in the crypto space, which includes even people looking at these smaller cap coins, whatever they may be, you guys can see XRP actually comes in basically in the large caps, it comes in only second to BTC. That's a pretty darn big deal, even higher than Ethereum, which has obviously just been on a rip-roaring run as of late, even outpacing XRP over the last 30 days. So this is a pretty crucial flip here. What we've also seen is in terms of trending assets, XRP actually at number 6 here too. So there's a lot of things from an optics standpoint, a lot of things from a fundamental standpoint that we're liking here as well currently. I will say in terms of XRP here, not really doing a whole lot on the hourly chart, but I will say on the weekly here, we did get a little bit of a bearish flip, just as we did in pretty much every asset in the space right now. So I'm hoping this isn't the start of some potential downturn like we've seen here before. We have seen times too where we've gotten one of these bearish weekly closes and we just kind of putzed around and chopped before our next extension. Maybe that's what we do here. So we just got to watch that closely. We'll see how the week progresses, how things end. There's been again a lot of leverage that's pushed up against price. So maybe, just maybe, we can create some short squeezes to the upside. So have a great day. Show your love below. Let me know your thoughts. Catch you guys in the next one. Take care.